Hi guys, this is Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the most awaiting phone of this year, like Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I have been waiting for this phone for a long time. I pre-ordered it, but it took so much time to deliver. I ordered it from Samsung and they delivered it in this package. So I'll show you how it looks. So I'm an iPhone user since iPhone 6, but this time I choose to go for Android because this phone is really amazing. I have heard a lot of about this phone, and because of the mostly I choose to buy this phone because of the camera quality, because the camera quality is really awesome. I have seen the previous Note phone, their quality is also awesome, but this one is really amazing. So I'm gonna show you how the phone's ready. So this is the packaging and this is the phone, and this intelligent S Pen and this phone's design, the infinity display on all these things is really amazing. So this is how the phone looks. So they have like different colors, but I choose the white color instead of the Aura Glow because I didn't fail to buy this Aura Glow because it feels like a rainbow for me. So I go for the white one. So I show you how the phone. This is Samsung. Oh wow! So look at the phone. So this is the phone. So this is Note 10 Plus. There is another one that is Note 10. So and this one is the white color. I choose to buy the white one because I feel this one looks pretty than the Aura Glow. But if you choose for the Aura Glow, that one also that looks good. But this one looks really pretty. So my husband chose the black one, but I choose the white one. This is pretty awesome phone and looks so sleek. And one more thing I see, I'm missing that in my iPhone the power button is this side, but here the power and volume both are like this side, and there is like 3 cameras. There is total infinity display. There is nothing in the screen, like holes, everything is screen, no notch, nothing. And also what are inside the box. So then there is a charger. And one more thing about this phone, that the charge within 1 hour you will get the full charge, which is pretty awesome. And Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, the difference is Note 10 has the power the quality of the charger is more better than the Note 10. Like you can get fast charging and everything, and you will get more charge in this Note 10 Plus, and it's a little bit bigger than Note 10. I get the charger, the fast charger, and this AirPod. What is this? Samsung cord? Like, I don't know what kind of. Yeah, there is Samsung cord. Yeah, I got the cable, everything. Oh, so this one is the smart switch where you can transport your data from phone to computer. And what are these things? And this one is for file transferring. So this is the charger, and this one is the, it's not AirPod. I thought maybe AirPod. It's not like it's like a cable, like earphone. One more thing, here you are missing the headphone jack, but I don't care because in iPhone also they don't have the headphone jack, so it doesn't really matter for me if there is headphone jack or not. But you are getting this headphone with this like iPhone, similar like iPhone, to connect one switch and get the headphone. But the headphone quality is really nice, like wear is really pretty good. And this one is for your S Pen, to change your S Pen nib. There are different nibs. Oh, I'll show you the S Pen. So this is the phone, and here the S Pen. Oh, right, pretty awesome. Wow, the S Pen is really awesome. and the headphone and this cable. So these are the things I get: the charging cable and headphone charger, and one S Pen nib to change your S Pen nib, and this file transferring thing, the file, and one headphone. Yeah, I'm not using this headphone because I usually use wireless headphone, so sometimes if there is no charge then I can use this one, but this quality is really good. So, replace your headphones, that's why they are giving it like this way. Oh, this is so satisfying. This is one. So this is the phone. So since a brand new phone, if I go for T-Mobile or Verizon, they automatically make it a phone ready to use. But since I ordered it from Samsung, I just have to do it by myself. So I know they have some smart switch which you can just you can transfer your previous phone data to a new phone. So previously I'm using the iPhone, so for this enable the smart switch, you just have to connect your USB cable to one port to the iPhone, and next one to this smart switch, and I connect to your new phone. Let's see what happens. They're showing like, let's go.
Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
So you just next bring now it's showing that bring your old data for quicker setup. So now I just connected my Wi-Fi to the phone. Let's see how it works. So they're saying that it's the easier way to get your previous phone data to your new phone. You don't have to go to the computer and copy and all this stuff, so it's super easy. So now it's updating the smart switch. Bring your old data for the cable. Next, get connected. Connect this phone to NFC with your cable. So now it's showing. So since I connected this iPhone to this smartphone, it will show all this step one by one. Then one time you just have to trust your device, that trust your iPhone to connect. It will take time, probably 1 hour, I believe. In the meantime, I'll show you the cover. So this is the cover I bought from Amazon for this phone. So I usually choose the transparent cover. So this is the phone case. It's like silicone kind of material, not completely plastic. Pattern, pin, password, whatever you like.
Alright, we're all set.
So after signing in my Samsung account, I'm already done. So just finish. So this is how my phone looks. I just only have to put the SIM into the phone, so I can get all these things. So allow, confirm, next. Switch switch of my iPhone, like this switch for the power button. So both of this volume button and the power switch both are like on the left side. This one is like pretty difficult for me because I'm used to with this right side button. I think I'll be used to do it after Sunday. And look, I'm all set after connecting these two phones, so I don't have to download all these things with the smart switch. I got everything with this photo and everything I set in my new phone. Like, I'm just accessing the photos. Probably it will take time. No, it's here, everything, like the photos. And all these things, my apps. I don't know about the apps. Here's the symbol. You can add the weather info, notification. Okay, so that's a cool feature. Okay, the current location. Yeah, that's good. Home button, you got the Google switch. Oh, you have to press a little hard. So it's a micro or whatever. So this looks like bigger, simple. Oh, so this is bigger SIM.
It has two slots, one for SIM card, one for memory.
Oh.
You have to insert and reboot the phone. So it will you have to reboot.
Yeah, it's showing T-Mobile.
Usually it's good to reboot so that it registers on the network properly. So the best thing is just your device will restart to configure features supported by new SIM card. It's always better to restart.
So the phone is ready. So now the phone is ready.
You can
you call? Yeah, now it's working.
The same thing. Purposefully they make it older version and new version. The difference is that they make it little tight here, so that in the older version sometimes it just falls down.
Oh.
If you accidentally press like this, it will fall down in older version, but new version it doesn't fall down. It just sticks there.
Oh.
Even though you open it accidentally, it just stays there.
There are so many features of this phone. This is the white one and this one is the black one. I think white looks pretty cool. That's the black. This one is the black one, black Note 10 Plus, and this one is white Note 10 Plus. So the only thing I miss for in Note 10 Plus from my iPhone is the silence button, which has so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you